Hey guys, I'm Shivam this side from CreateOS, and I have got a beautiful guest with me, Ambika.
Hi guys, it's a pleasure to be here today. I'm Ambika Sharma and I'm a part of the advertising industry. I'm here to learn more about NodeOps and what are the kind of innovative offerings they have for all of us marketing professionals and advertising professionals. So I think it's going to be a very intuitive and very insightful meeting today.
So I would like to know from you, what does your current workflow looks like on a day-to-day basis?
Our workflow it's full of a lot of manual drills that we have to do. There is a lot of reporting, there is a lot of compilation, there's a lot of consolidation of presentations, of Excel formats that we have to do. Even if we have 5-6 people deployed to create a presentation of 1,000 slides or 2,000 slides, it ends up taking like a day or two or probably 3 days depending on the format of the presentation. So I think if we can have templatized solutions, maybe industry-wise, say one for automobile, one for FMCG, those kind of templatized solutions, or if there could be a tech or algorithm behind it where we can dump the pictures onto one link and through some tech it can upload it in a nice presentation, a format nicely aligned with the fonts and the client logo and all of that. That would make our life a lot easier.
So I think like this is a perfect case study for CreateOS, I would say, Sheena.
So I think in your case, having an agentic layer, which is more like your AI assistant, would be making your life more easier for you to get more efficient. And I don't know if you're aware, Ambika, this is actually doable today.
That's amazing to know. I mean, it just gives me so much happiness to know that things can be made easier.
So far, Ambika, I've realized that your biggest pain point is about data crunching, and you want your images that you're getting from your clients to be like automated. You don't want to do the manual kind of a thing where you have to individually pick each image and send it towards the clients or send it in the presentations, which will take a lot of time of yours. But apart from that, I want to understand from you, is there anything that AI can help you to automate so that you can cut those number of hours from, let's say, 6 to 2 hours per day, and it can give you time to strategize?
So I think the second area of concern is that all the marketing people, that we get a 40-pager brief or a 50-pager brief, sometimes even a 60-pager brief in the PDF format or in a docx format. And for me, if I want to channelize my energy only on out-of-home requirement or only on the creative requirement or only on the event piece, I need to go through all those 50-60 pages manually and absorb that data and then figure out okay, what are the 5 things that I want to focus on. So if AI could help me with the key takeaways from that huge document and tell me that, hey Ambika, these are the 5-6 things that are the key takeaways from this brief, and if you work towards these, you will be able to address the scenario in terms of the marketing solution. So I think that would really help me save a lot of time, and internally also for my teams, instead of sending them that whole document, I can just send those 5 points.
So Ambika, I'm going to be taking 3 days or 4 days of time. My tech team is going to be deep diving into your pain points, and we shall be sending you your personalized AI assistant and going to be making a life-changing assistant for you, which is going to simplify your life. For Ambika, what did CreateOS build? We built her a private AI strategic layer, which helps her reduce the heavy redundant tasks into a very clear strategy-driven execution layer. So whatever data she receives from her clients, all the pictures, past events, etc., all the client dump, it beautifully gets inside her tool where she's able to manage her redundant task of reading that. Her daily work has reduced from 7 hours of reading briefs to mere 28 minutes to actually moving into production and execution. That is what Stratic is for Ambika. Stratic reads the brief, creates a structured insight card, suggests the campaign directions, and helps the team move faster from ideation to actual execution. Most importantly, it is built with zero data retention, NDA-first architecture, and client confidentiality at its core.
I think I really want to thank everyone at NodeOps and CreateOS for such a wonderful session I had the other day with you guys, and for so calmly listening to my pain points. And immediately the entire team got together and we did a couple of phone calls and you guys sorted my problems. I think when I went through the platform and I felt it was all falling together so seamlessly.